Hey, hi, I'm Kushal, a Shopify developer, and I'm very excited to show you how you can use countdown timer like this on your store using Iconic Section app. Countdown timers are proven a way to engage customers and create an urgency. This way, you can create more urgency for your flash sale or limited time offer or uh, new product launch. And the best part is you can set it up this kind of section without any coding knowledge. So you have to use our app called Iconic Section, and it's have a lot of section like this at a one-time cost. Here is a demo page which shows you different types of countdown timer. You can set it up just a timer, or you can also have a message with a shop now button. You can have a different background color and gradient color or the image as well. And once the countdown timer is over, it will just show a message, or you can just hide the whole section automatically. So for this, you have to very first install this app. And once it's installed, you can go to that app. And from that app dashboard, you have to go to the sections page. Once you are on a sections page, you can find out from this filter easily. And here are different countdown section. Today we are going to talk about this normal countdown section. As you can see, it's $9 and you can have to pay just a one-time fee. And once you pay, you can easily install this section to any of your theme. I'm selecting one of the theme and installing. Once you install the section, you can customize this section from here directly, or you can go to your themes page and click customize from here as well. On this page, you have to click on add section and find out countdown section like this and hit install. Once you install this section, it will come up with the default data. So let's start customizing it. Very first, you can set up a different color, and you can, if you want, you can have a background as a gradient color. You can change the text. You can make the timer more bigger or smaller as per your requirement. You can set up a background image as well. And here are your timer's details. So you can set up the deadline for this timer. Also, you can set either hide or show this message once the countdown is over. Here are different settings for button and the padding as well. Also, you can make it a full width or a container based. And for customizing more, you can add your custom style here as well. And that's it. If you are ready to create an urgency and boost your sale, then install Iconic Section app and try out our countdown timer section. This is a proven way to create an impact. If you need any other help, then reach out to our support team and we will be there to help you out with any sections. Thanks for watching.